So I think everybody's first thought when they watch any of Pinnacle Credit videos is this right here.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop fucking lying.
So the thing with these scammers in credit repair is they don't have any results to post. So they just start reposting the same content over and over and over, like Mike did. So I'm going to show y'all 5 or 10 clips and just pay attention to the dates. The dates are very important because everything is 10 months to a year or even older. People want to see what you're doing now. So watch these clips.
A week ago. And as you can see, look at this. These are the results from the investigation. As you can see, look at these deletions here. Capital One Bank, this is a collection charge-off here. It was deleted. Student loans, these are student loans that were late, not paid. We removed these off the credit report. Those of you that had student loans that defaulted to them or in some forgiveness program that have late payments, you can get these removed off your credit report. They don't have to affect you. If there's anyone, just a shot in the dark, if there's anyone that wants to try something different that's off the market, that has the urgency or need to do so and has the money to just invest in themselves and do that, then yeah, the program is there. You're going to see the best results in credit repair. I'm going to show you 5 files. Look at this. 8 items deleted. Look at the items that were deleted. Collection, unpaid collection was deleted. Okay. Unpaid collection was deleted. Collection was deleted. Collection. So we are the best at removing collections.
7 updated as positive, 4 deleted. Well, let's not try to focus on the quantity, but the quality, the specific accounts we're able to remove. We remove the tough things, okay? So we remove the late payments. As you can see, it says updated to positive, which is 7 accounts, and then 4 deleted. And then we can scroll down here. We can scroll down here and we can see what has been deleted.
All right, y'all. So the purpose of this video was just to warn y'all, these scammers don't have no new content. They're not actually doing credit repair. They're just taking people's money and doing absolutely no work and living their best life doing it, okay? So if y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.